All right. So now that we've learned hic, hike, hoke, which means this or these in the plural, we're going to jump into the other most common demonstrative in Latin, which means that or those. So we're going to use hic, hike, heat, hic, hike, hoke when we want to talk about something close to us, something nearby, something that we just talked about, right? Or we're going to use ille, la, lud if we're talking about something over there, right? Far away. Um, and the good news is if you thought that hic, hike, hoke was simple to pick up, you're going to love ille, la, lud because it's even more straightforward. Just glancing at these forms altogether, you may have already some things may have already leapt out at you as like, oh yeah, this is a piece of cake. But let's dive into this. All right, in the singular, that, right? In the singular, it's going to mean that, either as an adjective, that tree, agreeing with tree in case gender and number as tree is being used in the sentence, and or that man, right? If it's all by itself, if it's not modifying anything, we can use it substantively. So ille would be that man, illa would be that woman, and illud would be that thing, correct? All right. So looking at these forms, let's dive in and highlight some goodies. Because right here, yeah, we've seen this before. We saw it with as, a. We kind of saw it with qui, qui, quod, cuius, 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 qui, and hic, hic, hoc, huius, huiis, huic, huic, huic. We have that ius, I ending in the genitive singular and dative singular. So these are things we're used to. We just want to group them together. So we want to group ille, la, lud tightly with is, ea, id. It's going to be very similar to is, ea, id. The differences being, again, that neuter, nominative, and accusative singular is a little funky. But as long as you're remembering ille, la, lud, ille, la, lud, illis, 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 illi, 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 remember that illud in the nominative singular, you can remind yourself, well, the neuter nominative singular is always the same as an accusative singular, and so it's just one tricky form to remember, and if you remember our general rule about the neuter, you remember what two places it appears. All right, let's dive into the plural now. The plural: Eli, Eli, Ella, Illorum, Illarum, Illorum, Elisa, Elisa, Elise, Los, Elas, Ella, Elisa, Elisa, Elise. Maybe you've already noticed what this is, right? Anyone have any recognition of these endings? Yeah, you're spot on. They're just 212 plural. Woo! It's as good as it gets. Nothing new here. We've done this before. It's the same as if I was trying to do boni, bonai, bona, or bonus aum, right, in the plural. It's our 212 plural endings, first and second declension. You should know them by now. If you don't, just another chance to learn them. So that is ille, la, lud in a nutshell. Not too much new stuff going on here. The real trick that you want to be really purposeful about is remembering that it's ille is that or those in the plural, and hic is this or these. I cannot tell you how many Latin students get them mixed up. So start, pointing at things around your room, making sure that you get used to saying hic to things that are close to you. This, hic liber, hold in your hands this book, or ille, or illa porta, that door, point to the door of your room. Do something like that. Start to get it really ingrained using visualization and pointing and all that jazz, all right? I'll see you in class.